Everyone, I'm going to teach you how to do the bow tie routine on this video today. Alright, first you need to decide what two numbers you want to multiply it by. I chose 11 and 21, a very simple way to take it easy when first beginning. Alright, so I got 11, 21 here, like I said. So we're going to multiply the bottom right digit to the top right digit, so that will equal 1. So I'm going to put down my 1 here, and then we're going to multiply the bottom right to the top left, and that'll equal 1. Now we're going to put down a 0 here to start our bottom row, and now we're going to multiply the bottom left to the top right, and that will equal 2. And then we're going to multiply the bottom left to the top right, and that equals 2 as well, sorry. Mix up a little bit, I'm sorry. Alright, so now we got our answers, and what we're going to do now? Well, now we're going to add them together. So we got 11, 220, and now we're going to add it together, and then we're going to get our answers. So 11 plus 220 plus the 1 equals 1, plus another 1 equals 3, and then 2. 241. I hope this was very useful to you guys. See you next time.